Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving straight into how you can customize your Asana notifications. This will help you streamline your workflow and minimize unnecessary interruptions. First up, log into your Asana account. The reason we do this is pretty clear. It's the gateway to your notification settings. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo on the top right corner of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select My Profile Settings. This helps us because it's where all your personal settings, including notifications, are located. Now that we've done that, we move on to the Notifications tab. It's easy to find, just on the left side of the My Profile Settings window. Click on it, and you'll see a list of options. This is where all the magic happens, where you can completely tailor your Asana experience to suit your needs. In the Notifications tab, you'll see two main categories: email notifications and activity notifications. Email notifications control what updates you receive in your inbox, while activity notifications manage the alerts you receive while actively using Asana. Now let me explain why this matters. By distinguishing between these two types of notifications, Asana allows you to manage your attention and time more effectively. Under email notifications, you can choose to receive daily summaries, status updates, or notifications for every activity on tasks you follow. The reason we do this is to control the amount and frequency of email updates we receive from Asana. Under activity notifications, you can customize what kind of in-app alerts you want to receive. You can choose to be notified about new tasks, deadlines, project statuses, and more. This helps us because it ensures we're only alerted about the things that truly matter to us, reducing unnecessary distractions. Next up, after customizing your notifications, don't forget to hit the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. If you skip this step, all your customization efforts will be lost. And there you have it. You've just learned how to customize your Asana notifications, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. You're now in full control of what updates you receive and when. This might seem like a small change, but it can have a big impact on your productivity. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, mastering your tools is the first step towards mastering your work. Until next time, happy organizing.